Feeling mo ba wala nang nangyayari sa life mo ngayon? Nabobore ka ba kasi naghihintay ka pa rin na may gumalaw ng baso sa life mo right now? So, are you re-evaluating your life? Kasi bakit parang I'm stuck in this situation? Feeling ko wala nang nangyayaring something sa life ko. Ayan. If you are seeing this message, trust that there is something in this reading for you. Ayan. This is a collective reading, so just take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Okay, so, feeling mo ba wala nang progress yung life mo right now? Or are you feeling like you are disconnected? Feeling mo, nagko-contemplate ka kung ano ba ang dapat mong gawin? Hindi mo ba nakikita yung mga opportunities na binibigay sa'yo? Let's see kung ano ang sinasabi ng universe for you. We got the Wheel of Fortune and the Two of Cups. So, I feel that this is about a connection. This is a connection na parang feeling mo wala nang nangyayari sa inyong dalawa. Pero, ang sinasabi ni Wheel of Fortune ay, maybe this is no contact or like separated situation. And nandito si Wheel of Fortune to say na this is a fated separation. Kailangan yung magkahiwalay for something with a greater purpose. Okay, so tingnan natin. Bakit nga ba walang happening sa life nyo? So, we got the Ten of Cups and the Page of Cups. I feel na iniisip ka pa rin ng person na to, kung sino man siya. Iniisip ka pa rin niya, ikaw pa rin yung nakikita niyang kanyang happiness. Sa'yo siya nakaka-feel ng emotional stability. Feeling niya you are his home, okay? So, pero right now, you are being separated by the universe, by fate, by the cycle, by the Wheel of Fortune. Kailangan yung magkahiwalay right now. Kaya, pero feeling mo, walang nangyayari, di ba? Feeling mo walang progress kung bakit hindi pa rin kayo nagre-reunite, di ba? Bakit hindi pa rin siya nag-reach out? Maybe, this is a no contact. Pero, nandito si Page of Cups, I feel na they will be coming forward and masusurprise ka dito. Masusurprise ka pag nag-message na siya sa'yo and they are willing to offer their vulnerability. They are willing to come forward with an offer. Okay, we got the Hermit. So, I feel na kailangan nyo talagang magkahiwalay right now. Kasi, sinasabi ng universe na you have to do introspection. You have to do reflection. Kailangan mong i-reflect yung mga nangyayari sa life mo. Kailangan mo munang mapag-isa. You have to be in separation to feel solitude. Kailangan mo munang hanapin yung sarili mo. Kaya kayo pinaghiwalay. Kasi parehas naman kayong in hermit mode right now. So, hermit. Ayan. So, parehas kayong in hermit mode. Parehas kayong nag-heal ng mga kailangan nyo i-heal bago kayo ipag-reunite ng universe. Kasi parehas nyo naman gustong maging future ng isa't isa. Pero kailangan nyo daw munang mag-self-reflect. Kailangan nyo mag-heal, mag-face ng shadows, ng inner child wounds. Ayan, kailangan nyo muna silang harapin ng mag-isa para makilala nyo yung sarili nyo. Okay. Ayan, we got the Eight of Cups. So, I feel, kung sino man ang unang nag-walk away from you, kung kayo man or sila man ang unang umatras or lumayo from this connection, they may be searching for themselves. They may be having a spiritual journey right now, na kailangan nila munang mag-step away from this connection. Kailangan niya munang mapag-isa. Pero ikaw din, ikaw rin mismo, kung sino mang nanonood neto, you are also being led towards something, towards the truth, towards your purpose in this life. Kaya ka tinanggal sa situation na yon right now. We got the Chariot. So I feel na there's success na papunta kayo parehas sa isang destination. You are going towards the same goals. You are both in control of your life. You are both focused na makabalik sa isa't isa. So right now, you just have to embrace solitude, embrace your self-worth, embrace self-care, embrace your self-love. Kasi sa huli, isa lang din naman yung pupuntahan nyo. You both are going to achieve your 10 of Cups moment. Magiging happy, reunion, homecomings, ayan, magiging harmonized ang inyong relationship, ang inyong connection. So, you are going towards one ambition, towards success. So, ngayon, kailangan nyo lang munang mapag-isa. Kailangan yung pagdaanan itong stage ng connection or ng relationship nyo alone. Yan. So, I feel that yun yung sinasabi ng cards natin, na you are currently, na kahit feeling mo walang nangyayari right now, hindi mo nakikita yung progress, there is something happening in the background. Hindi mo lang siya napapansin, pero the spirit world is working on something right now. This is part of your fate. This is part of your life cycle. Kailangan mo siyang pagdaanan, kailangan mo siyang tanggapin para maging successful kayo parehas together. Okay, if this message resonated with you, ayan, comment lang kayo dyan and follow for more collective readings. Ayun, so, I hope this message helped you guys today. Kung may pinagdadaanan kayong same as this, yan, kaya natin to guys. Kapit lang. Okay, so have a good day. Bye, see you on the next reading.